Welcome to my class. You're going to be learning to draw amazing values. Why is value more important to form than color? That color can look very deceptive. It can look like there's a lot of value to it, but it's not. If you look at the color wheel on the left, you can see all your vibrant colors, and on the right, it's done all your values of those colors. And if you'll note that there are very few values in the colors. Hi, I'm Jennifer Moorhead. I'm a former art professor of over 34 years, and I've created a unique teaching method. I'm taking all the things that I taught my students in college, and I formulated a class that is the same art concepts, but I'm making it very simple for you. And my philosophy about art is anyone can learn, but you have to have the right teacher and learning the correct skills. And I'm here just to do that for you. This class is for a beginner, and let me show you what you're going to be learning. We'll definitely be drawing from observation, because that is the way to really learn how to draw. It's to draw what you see. We're going to start out with sketching, apply values to create depth, drawing tips and shading techniques, and really learn how to call attention to your artwork. It's a great class for a beginner, so come join in and let me teach you how to draw.